Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Mazda 6 Sport Sedan, stock reference number 5347. The shape runs from the 7th month 2005 through to the 2nd month 2008. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, chrome mesh type, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid spoiler, right rear boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has three small dents, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, tail window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type center console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.